open your El Hilal Digital Bank account, 1. Download the El Hilal Digital Bank app from Google Play or App Store. 2. Tap Start Exploring. Enter your mobile number, then verify it with the OTP. 3. Fill in your personal details, full name, date of birth, nationality, gender, and email. Agree to the terms and tap Next. 4. Set a 6-digit passcode to log in, then confirm, then tap Next. 5. Verify your email by tapping the link sent to your inbox. Then return to the app after tapping the link sent to your inbox. 6. Tap Apply Now. Then choose to open a current account, savings account, or both. 7. Tap Continue with UAE Pass. Allow access to your Emirates ID and Visa autofills your details. 8. Scan your passport, original or copy, then confirm your details. 9. Enter employment details, company, job title, monthly income, and source of income. 10. Add your full address for debit card delivery, then confirm, then complete the tax declaration form.